Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. As we move into 2025, making strategic investment choices is more important than ever. Economic conditions, technological advancements, and market trends are constantly evolving, and smart investors need to stay ahead of the curve. In today's video, we will explore the best investment opportunities for 2025 to help you maximize your returns while managing risk effectively. 1. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs). For those looking for low-risk investment options, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs) are excellent choices. These options provide stability and ensure your money grows with minimal risk. While they might not offer the highest returns compared to stocks or real estate, they are essential for maintaining liquidity and financial security. High-yield savings accounts have become more attractive as interest rates rise. Many online banks offer competitive rates, significantly higher than traditional savings accounts. These accounts are perfect for emergency funds or short-term financial goals, allowing you to earn interest while maintaining easy access to your funds. CDs, on the other hand, offer fixed returns over a set period, typically ranging from a few months to several years. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. CDs are ideal for those who want to lock in their money and earn a guaranteed return without the volatility of the stock market. However, they do come with penalties for early withdrawals, so it's essential to plan accordingly. While these investments won't make you rich overnight, they provide a safe haven for your money, ensuring it continues to grow without exposure to significant market fluctuations. 2. Government and corporate bonds. Bonds are a crucial part of a diversified investment portfolio, offering a balance between risk and reward. Government bonds issued by federal or local governments are considered one of the safest investments. They provide a predictable stream of income through regular interest payments and are backed by the government's ability to repay the debt. In 2025, government bonds will continue to be attractive, especially if economic uncertainty persists. Treasury bonds, municipal bonds, and inflation-protected securities, (ETFs), can serve as a hedge against market volatility. While they offer lower yields than stocks, they provide a stable income stream and are ideal for conservative investors. Corporate bonds, on the other hand, carry a slightly higher risk, but can provide better returns. Companies issue these bonds to raise capital, and investors receive periodic interest payments. Investment-grade bonds from financially stable companies are a solid option, while high-yield or junk bonds offer higher returns but come with increased risk. As interest rates fluctuate, bond investments should be chosen carefully. A well-balanced bond portfolio can provide both stability and growth, making them an essential component of a well-rounded investment strategy in 2025. 3. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market remains one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. The key to success in 2025 will be identifying strong sectors, diversifying across industries, and staying informed about market trends. Tech stocks continue to dominate, with advancements in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity driving growth. Companies that lead in these sectors are poised for long-term success. Additionally, healthcare stocks, particularly those involved in biotech and pharmaceuticals, present significant opportunities as medical research and innovation progress. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds are excellent choices for investors who prefer diversification without actively managing individual stocks. These funds track major indices like the S&P 500 and provide exposure to a broad range of companies. Dividend stocks are another solid investment strategy. Companies with a strong history of paying dividends provide consistent income and tend to be more stable during market downturns. While stocks offer higher potential returns, they have thorough research and a well-diversified portfolio can help mitigate these risks and maximize gains in 2025. 4. Real estate investments. Real estate continues to be a strong investment option in 2025, offering both appreciation and passive income opportunities. Whether through direct property ownership or real estate investment trusts, (REITs), investors can benefit from the stability and income that real estate provides. Residential real estate remains a viable investment, especially in high-demand areas. Rental properties generate consistent cash flow and can appreciate over time. As housing markets fluctuate, Researching locations with strong job markets, population growth, and infrastructure development is key to finding profitable opportunities. Commercial real estate, including office spaces, warehouses, and retail properties, is another option. With the rise of e-commerce and remote work, industrial properties and data centers are becoming increasingly valuable investments. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, REITs provide a way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. These publicly traded companies own and manage income-producing real estate, offering investors exposure to the real estate market with the liquidity of stocks. By carefully selecting real estate investments, investors can build a portfolio that generates passive income and appreciates in value over time. 5. Alternative investments, cryptocurrency, commodities, and private equity. Alternative investments are gaining popularity as investors seek ways to diversify their portfolios beyond traditional stocks and bonds. These investments include cryptocurrency, commodities, private equity, and even collectibles such as art and rare coins. Cryptocurrency remains a high-risk, high-reward investment. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins continue to evolve, with growing adoption in various industries. However, regulatory developments and market volatility make it essential to approach crypto investments with caution. Commodities like gold, silver, and oil provide a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. As inflation concerns persist in 2025, commodities can serve as a store of value and portfolio stabilizer. Gold, in particular, has historically been a safe haven asset during times of uncertainty. Private equity investments, including venture capital and hedge funds, offer opportunities for higher returns, but require substantial capital and longer investment horizons. These investments provide exposure to startups and growing businesses before they go public. While alternative investments can offer significant rewards, they also come with unique risks. Conducting thorough research and ensuring they align with your financial goals is crucial for success in these markets. Conclusion. In 2025, making smart investment decisions requires careful consideration of market trends, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Whether you prefer the stability of bonds, the growth potential of stocks, the income from real estate, or the high-risk, high-reward nature of alternative investments, diversification remains key. By staying informed and strategically allocating your resources, you can build a resilient portfolio that thrives in any economic climate. Thank you for watching Financial Mastery Insights. Be sure to subscribe for more expert financial advice and investment strategies.